Today, I collect up most of the hand tools that workers used on production line of my rubber boot factory. And the most valuable part is that most of these toolings was not purchased from the market. They were made by ourselves. Okay, let me show you. Gauge meter to measure thickness of rubber sheet. Plastic scraper to scrape transfer film onto the rubber base. Cutting dies to cut the sheet into corresponding shape. Also cutter to cut the calendar saw into needed shape. This is normal scissor. We use it to cut the rubber pieces for samples. And micrometer for precise measurement. Next episode, I will introduce the production toolings.